I want you to focus on this guy here, or these two. At this level, the problem is in South Africa, not with corner kick. Put it in, no. You have to be smart. You have to design plays. You understand? Watch what these guys do. Watch what these two bayenza. Now he's all alone. Lo uploke the person begama now he's all alone, right? Angithi yimi lo. Ne? Mina, I'm not going to hit the ball. This guy uzovala the player leye bafana. The other one wins the run la. Umbogazi boy two, they are ball watching. Okay, sharp. Sial save. Now watch again. Mkhulume ngani, the players that are free, they are very dangerous because I was free. Angibek ngekho umuntu ongimakile. Ibhola malihamba bese liyabuya. Still akekho umuntu ozongimaka. Now we have 4 players here that are not marking anyone, right? You have Akon marking here. Watch what he does. A proper defender. He recognizes Guti. There is a striker who is free in front of me. And angithi manje yonke lento leyenzeka quick. You can't tell abantu ukuthi wozomaka la. You have to go and pick now. Goal. What happened is makahamba yomaka laphaya, they played behind him. And you can't blame him. There's no way you can blame him. Because you have players here that are not doing anything. They are just standing here. They are not marking anyone. He's got 3 around him. Why don't you look a move? Yes, it's cut. It's cut. The game is fast. It's not an easy thing to do. But it starts from Uguti. Originally, there was a player that was free.